How to release a Roblox game lesson 5. This is a remake of my previous video. And the reason why is because I showed my previous published tutorial video to my friend, and surprise to me, she got stuck. Well, it was a little bit funny, but I decided to delete the video and make a brand new one. And this new video, this one here, should be very clear and understandable for everyone. So I'm 100% certain that if you watch this video, you understand the concept perfectly. And the goal of this video is that end of this video, you have your really own Roblox game which you can play with your friends. But before you watch this video, you have to watch the previous lessons, lesson 1 to 4. Why? Because previous lessons are covering very basic concepts and you really should know them. So if you didn't watch previous 1 to 4 video, so go to my profile, check what were the videos, make sure you understand those concepts. This video is divided into 4 steps and I'm going to show you it very quickly. The first step is open your game. The second step is making the game public. The third step is publishing the changes. And the last and final step is play and invite friends as step 1. First step is that you open up your game. If you already have a game, then it is quite easy. You should find it in your My Recent Experiences. But if for some reason they don't show up here, for example, my friend didn't have anything here and she was very confused, you can look around in this Roblox studio. There should be experiences folder and hopefully it is there. So open the experiences and find your previous game. Step 2, making the game public. So once you have the game open, you have to go into the game settings. Game settings are at the top left. There is a file, a sub menu. You click on it and there we have a bunch of options. You can see that there is a game settings and that is what we are interested in. Now, pay attention. This view, where there's nothing visible, only that, means that your game is brand new. You have not saved this before. If you have here something else, just stay here for a few seconds and you will see everything makes sense. So this view happens if you have never saved the game before, and in my case this is a brand new game. So I have to click this button first. Here we have all the basic information and you can see on the left hand side there is only basic info option here. So here we have to add some kind of title and we add there a tutorial. Now, once we have saved it, that's a brand new game, it will save it and it will reload everything. So do not worry about that. Alright, now everyone else who had a game before, now we are on the same page. People who had a new game and people who already had a game. So now we have to go to the file menu again and we go into game settings. Inside of game settings, now if you pay attention on the left hand side we have more options and there is a permissions folder and here we have connections, public and private. By default all game are private. We are interested in the public version, so we click public and of course we have to save it. So now the game has been made public. Step 3, publishing changes. Because even if you make the game public, you might make changes in the game. For example, if you, I don't know, let's say you add another part here. You can see in my 3D view I have now 2 things. If you simply click save, this update will not be released or published into your game that is public, so your friends will not see it. In order to publish your changes so that your friends can see that change here, you have to click the publish button here. So if you go to the file menu again, there's a publish to Roblox. Pay attention, there are two options, publish to Roblox, and second one is publish to Roblox as. We are interested in the publish to Roblox option. If I click on this one, you can see now on the bottom here is publish new changes in tutorial. We can be sure that our new changes now are live in your public game that your friends can play. And final step, play and invite friends. The easiest methods how to do it is if you open up Roblox and now pay attention. There's an important part now, very important. If you go just to the search and you try to find your game, let's say your game name is a dragon, okay? And now you try to find your game using the search engine. You will not find the game, okay? Maybe in the future Roblox makes some kind of changes that you will find your own games more easily, but right now in terms of 2025 July, you cannot find your creations using the search engine. Why? Because there are millions of games out there and your game is just one of them, and therefore Roblox is not going to show your game because it's just too new. So how do you find your game in your Roblox app? The easiest way to do it is if you go in your profile. So my name is Real Goat Godzilla. I click on it and I can see here view full profile. I click on that one. And now here we have about and creations. So I choose a creations tab. And here we have one game, that's my game, that's public, it's called Boxtubers. And I can simply, like every other game that you have played in your life, you can just click play and play it. But pay attention one more time, okay? Pay attention one more time. There's one important aspect. This method to finding a game works only if this username here, in my case it's Real Goat Godzilla, this Roblox account username must be the same as this account name in your Roblox studio. If this account in your Roblox studio, the username is different from your Roblox app username, you cannot find the game on this profile. Why? Because the owner of the game is the person who is here on the right hand side. In the future I can describe how to change the username, how to have more people access to the game, etc. But right now this account name and the Roblox profile must have the same account to find the creations. So that's the important part. And if in your case they are not the same, then you have to log out from your Roblox app and you have to log in with the username that you have in Roblox Studio. See you in the next lesson.